Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a photo. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to right corner button and we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage here. Now let's go to left side and tap to settings so we can open them. Here we have to slide a little bit to general settings category, and now at the third place we have shutter sound option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Let me keep it turned off, and when we move back to camera and when I take another picture, now we can't hear it. And of course, we can easily turn it on again by going to right corner, settings, then left side, sliding down and turning on it here with shutter sound. So for now, it's turned on. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.